Hey beautiful, what's good? It's your girl Chris Corio here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm a personal trainer, a physiotherapist, and a dance instructor. I have been doing a very special series all week because Father's Day is coming on June 16th. So let's get right into it. We're going to spread out the toes on the floor, evenly distribute the toes from the feet, from the toes right down to the heels. Rock, 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 rock the body. Make sure you're nice and comfortable. Now, throughout this exercise, you shouldn't be feeling any pain at all. And I want you to just close the eyes and just visualize the most sensual self. Visualize only beauty, only purity. I am woman, you say. I am woman. Say that like you believe it. I am woman. Breathe out any toxic energy that would make you feel like you are somehow not woman. You are woman, baby girl, you are. And then I want you to breathe in again. And now you're going to say, I am worthy. Breathe that in, hold it, hold the breath. I am worthy, I am deserving. Everything good in my life. I open my arms to receiving goodness. And when it comes to me, I accept it. I am worthy. Breathe out all sorts of self-doubt. Breathe it out. Breathe from the tips of the toes, the top of the head, and out through the mouth. Breathe it out. Because you're a woman, you are worthy. The next one is, since I am a woman and I am worthy, it must mean I am in charge. I am in charge. I have control over my entire body. It is me who dictates where I go in life. It is my thoughts that determine how far I'm able to climb or how low I shall stay. I am woman, I am worthy, and therefore I am in charge. I am in charge. And just allow those positive atoms, positive energy to flow, to cascade around your body. You are all woman, you're all feminine, you are sexy, you are sensual. Girl, even with a few pounds, you're good, you're sexy. So first things first, I want to breathe the arms overhead and breathe out. And again, bring the arms overhead and breathe out. From here, I just want you to drop the head, roll it around the shoulders, right on the body. Yes, girl. And opposite side, chin to chest, roll it around. One more time to the right. And then I'll finish off to the left. I am woman, I am worthy, I am in charge. From here, I want you to lift the shoulders, squeeze the shoulder blades back together and tuck them down into your back pockets. Feel the good and gushiness happening right between the shoulder blades here. As you lift, squeeze them together, tuck them down into your back pockets. And again, lift. 2, 3, 4, 5. Fingertips never leave the sides of the body. The thighs are always getting caressed, petted by the fingertips. They're yours. Love them. And from the opposite, we're going to now move the arms forward, stretching all that goodness around here, upper back, and pull it forward. Stretch. Slight round of the shoulders as we stretch the upper back. And from here, I just want you to shimmy the hips from side to side, jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. And just shake, shake, shake as you roll down. Maintain a little bit of a wiggle. From here, what I want you to do, fit the fingers beneath the toes. Press the toes down into the hands. And I want you to look up, arching the lower back, sticking the butt up to the ceiling. Arching, looking up. If this is too intense for you, then you want to back off of this movement. The intensity will be felt at the backs of the knees, backs of the thighs, in the hamstring area. All right? So hold it here. And from here, I want you to relax those knees. Relax those knees. Drop the head between the legs. Sway from side to side. As you allow that good energy to flow, you can drop the hips down. And from here, pushing the hips back up, rolling up, turning to me. All we're going to do is a hip side 4 counts, rolling the hips, winding the hips to the right, winding the hips to the left. So here we go, 3, 2, and 1. It's a nice wind. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Opposite side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Lifting up and out of the waistline, reaching over to the side, dropping this arm down, looking up, opening the chest, feeling how beautiful it is to be woman. I am woman. I am worthy. I am in charge. From here, lifting up, reaching over, feeling the beautiful stretch that happens inside of the body, side of the hips. We are women, but many times we neglect the sides of our bodies. Our hips need work. They need some loving, ladies. Nice, excellent. From here, we're going to repeat the same exercise. We're rolling down, chin to chest. We're going to fit the hands under the toes, and then we're going to look up. Hamstring stretch. 3, 2, and 1. Chin to chest. Fingertips never leave the skin. Fit the hands under and look up. Hold it here. 1, 2, and drop. Relax the legs. Woo. And if you lose your balance like me, that's fine. Just relax, baby. And here, drop the hips below, between the hips, and shimmy from side to side. Well, not actually a shimmy, but just a rock from side to side. Opening those hips if it's available to you. And from here, rolling up, facing to me again. I'm going to do 4 winds to the right, 4 winds to the left. This time I'm going to be bringing the arms up, just like one of our other or older videos when I showed you how to use the hands to wind, coming down on the last 2 counts, and then we'll repeat it when we go to the left side. So here we go. 3, 2, and 1. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Coming down. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to go to this side. So hands will go up first, and then when you're coming back down, the hands, when you're going to the opposite side, the hands are coming down. So here we go. Breathe, breathe, breathe. 3, 2, fingertips, and I am woman. I am worthy. I am in charge. Other way, I am woman. I am worthy. I am in charge. Excellent. From here, I want us to reach down to the floor. I want you to put the hands down here. And all we're going to be doing, babies, is a simple cat and cow. You've seen me do this many times on this timeline. All I want you to do is pull the belly button into the back of the spine. Stack the wrists under the elbows, elbows on the shoulders. So nothing, don't be out here. Keep them nice and balanced, nice and neutral. Back is also neutral. So for the cat portion of this movement, we're going to tuck the belly button into the back of the spine and pretend as though a string is pulling from the belly button right up to the ceiling. Drop the head. I am woman. I am worthy. I am in charge. And from here, I want you to release the navel. Relax here and look up to the ceiling. And again, pull the belly button into the back of the spine. And release. And again, belly button into the back of the spine. And release. Excellent. From here, what I want you to do is a wind. So we're going to go winding around. So it's almost as though you're transitioning in between cat, cow, and a little bit of a wind. All right? Well, a lot of a wind. So here we go. 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna go 1, making that spine nice and juicy. 3, 4, opposite side. And if dropping the head makes you a little bit dizzy, then you want to back off of dropping the head and just keeping the head in a steady position or neutral position. All right? From here, I want you to push the hips down to the floor, towards the heels. Stretch the shoulders. Wiggle the hips from side to side. And from here, I just want you to roll from the head, hair, reach forward over the wrist, drop down the pelvis first, come down, and then with your arm strength, as much as you have, more stir it up, babies. You're gonna push back the hips just like that, stretching the upper body. And we're gonna repeat that same stretch 3 times. Here we go. Here. Two more. Lifting up. Here we go again. And give me one more. Nice and easy. Stay here on the floor. What I want you to do is extend one arm out, just like this, and then this hand is going to be bent, and all I want you to do is a simple stretch of the chest. You can bring one leg over, so you're also stretching the hips. Nice. And then we'll go to the opposite side. Stretch that arm out. Hand is here. And we're reaching over, stretching the chest, and we're also stretching the hip. Nice. From here, we gently move out to that position. We're going to lie on the back as we do the 2 last stretches. So we have a counter rotation stretch, and we also have a decompression stretch, which is going to bring the legs over the head. If that's too much for you, if, for example, you're having any sort of discomfort with it, you want to back off of both these last exercises. Okay? So 3, legs are here. 2, you're twisting over here. And 1, you're looking away from the legs, holding it there. This hand can actually be on this side. Pull it down, keep the stretch. And opposite side, here, reaching over to the side, stretching down, hold it here. Whispering, I am woman, I am worthy, I am in charge. Simple words mean so much. Affirmations are words of guidance, words of truth. The more you say them, the more they become you. I am woman, I am worthy, I am in charge. And from here we have our last stretch, which tends to be quite intense for some persons. So all I do, ladies, I'm going to lift my hips off the floor. For some of us, like myself right now, you're gonna have to rock. You can leave the hands here. If the knees are here, no problem. Or you could bring the legs straight over and relax the hands out here. And just allow the weight of the upper body to stretch and decompress the spine. If this is too much, if you are starting to feel discomfort or any dizziness or pain, back off of this movement and just do a regular forward fold where you're sitting and reaching towards your toes. And slowly roll down. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Oh, comment where you're from below. Comment below where you're from.